Check in FM settings to make sure the FM is not set to on, which is check mark. When TIC FM speaker will be disabled. Now enter the navigation system. Here you will see your vehicle profile if it has been set up before. Then the navigation menu, click the Tools icon. The Sound and Warnings tab allows you to adjust GPS volume and change the voice language. In the speed warning settings, you can enable or disable speed alert, though this function may be restricted in some countries. There also are alert point and warning sign settings. These can be set independently to make your driving safer. Customize the quick menu by pressing its tab and selecting the items you want to see. Use driving time management to set timing settings for your route, particularly beneficial for lorry or truck driving. Access to route settings. You'll find various options under the Vehicle section. Use the tool icon next to each option to add specific information about your mode of transportation. This feature is especially valuable for truck drivers, as the system can alert you about road restrictions for your vehicle or cargo. Additional settings include navigation mode, route planning method, and different road types like ferries or a paved road. Each user can have their own GPS profile when multiple users are involved. The Map Settings tab offers various options for customizing your map view. In the Visual Guidance settings, you can select different signs and signals that you want the GPS to notify you, including detours and real-time route alternative, to add them and save it.